Hello everyone, welcome back to How Tutors. And in this video, I'm gonna share with you a app review or what is the app and how to use this app and what is the ratings about this app. So it's called Waplog, dating, mass and chat. So I just brought this app in my screen. So it is available Google Play Store and App Store. So you can you will go to Play Store and App Store, then search Waplog, then you will get this app. So let's check about this app. Uh, what about this app? Okay, so here you can see the option of 4.5 ratings. This one. So when we see the app ratings like 4.2 or 4.3 or 4.5 and above them, and we consider that the app is really good. At the same time, you can see here 756k review. It means 756,000 people write something about this app. And after that, the app got 4.5 ratings. So it's really amazing app and good app. The size is not too long, it's 37 MB. Okay, and we can see how many people downloaded this app. And here you can see 10 million people already downloaded this app, 10 million plus people. So it seems really good app. So now let's check about this app when this app is released. Here we can see September 5 2012. So it's too long time ago it's created. And here are some key feature: secure and safety dating with verified profile. So it's verified. Here you can see that some key feature you can read here before installing this app. Find single that are just your type, so you will get your type people here. Chat and flirt with new people and have fun. Mass and video chat with random stranger. Upload stories, share your favorite moments and meet people from different places around the world. Voice Waplog translate your chats and video call lives. Have unlimited chat. Don't wait to mass. So there are something you can read here. So now we just jump into the main things about this app. It's called a review and ratings. What people say actually about this app. So just you're gonna click 5-star ratings. It means the positive things. Jimmy Carillo and he wrote something like, Waplog is actually the best site I have used, and I would say so far, but I decided to stay. My only issue, which has nothing to do with the site actually, is that people are either not reading the bios or they just don't seem to respect your reason to be in Waplog. I was clear I am only looking for sincere friendship and everyone is asking for my number and flirting. Anyway, I really recommended this app and I'm hard to please. So it means people, it's simple when you talk with someone they ask about your real identity, call number or go to another social media like WhatsApp or other messaging site. So another nice to use, it is very simple but useful. And the best, you can chat the girls from free. Let's see how it's become with the days. So it is free, totally free app. Okay, so let's check the negative. Again, now it's been 1 year since using Upload. It's been a week or more I can't upload my photo to my profile, and when it's done the profile doesn't show it and it's empty for a week. So it's some problem because maybe updated problem. Few ads which is good is used, but for males this app is nightmare. Fake profile, girls asking directly for your looks, income. So yeah, every dating app is common nowadays that girls always want to stay with the rich person. So you don't need to worry about this. You will get the good one maybe. Just try finding. This app is the worst app I have ever seen in my life. I open it and monitoring before night. I got notification from them and I open it. It says that I have been banned from using Upload for no reason. So maybe they are facing something here, so you can read there. And overall this is good app because many users use this app and review is good. So let's take some screenshot about this app. Mass swiftly, video chat also, date, instant message, good feature use, and there is also history available. Okay, it's really good app. So if you really want to know how to use this app, then just let me know in comment below. If I get good response, then I will create a video how to use this app in upcoming videos. So today is Noma, and thank you for watching this video.